today, we're diving into Proton Mail, often touted as the best private email service out there. But is it really as secure and user-friendly as they claim? Let's break it down and see if it's worth your time. Proton Mail is designed with privacy at its core, offering end-to-end encryption for your emails. This means that only you and the recipient can read the messages, nobody else, not even Proton Mail itself. The user interface is pretty straightforward, making it accessible for anyone, even if you're not tech savvy. What stands out immediately is the strong emphasis on security features, like zero-access encryption and the ability to send self-destructing emails. This service is also based in Switzerland, which has strict privacy laws, adding another layer of trust. However, while the basics are covered, some users might find the lack of advanced features, like a robust calendar or task management system, a bit limiting. Overall, it feels like Proton Mail is focused on providing a secure email experience, but there are moments when you might wish for a bit more flexibility in terms of functionality. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the security features are top-notch, and the commitment to privacy is commendable. If you're someone who values confidentiality in your communications, Proton Mail is definitely appealing. However, there are some frustrations to consider. The free version has limited storage, which might not be enough for heavy users. Plus, the lack of integrations with other apps can feel like a drawback, especially for those who rely on a more connected workflow. Trust is another area worth mentioning. While the service is generally well regarded, some users may still feel hesitant about relying entirely on a single provider for their email needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive email solution with all the bells and whistles, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Proton Mail is a solid choice for anyone prioritizing privacy and security in their email communications. However, if you need a more feature-rich experience, you might want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, especially if confidentiality is your main concern.